Looking for a complete energy storage solution that is highly durable, easy to install, maintain and operate? Coslink has got you covered with the EnerMax-C&I distributed energy storage cabinet. This all-in-one product is an integrated and complete solution to various energy storage needs because it integrates the functions of several components into a single independent outdoor cabinet. The components include energy storage batteries and battery management, modular PCS, STS, local monitoring, fireproof, temperature control power distribution, access control and water immersion systems. The unitized design can also be flexibly configured according to actual application scenarios. Durable design enables the product to withstand harmful environmental effects and mechanical impact. Its IP54 protection level means that it will be protected against contamination from dust, water sprays and other particles. On the other hand, its wide operating temperature range of -20 to 60 degrees Celsius indicates a consistent performance even in areas with extreme temperature. It also uses a lithium iron phosphate or LFP battery type that is safer and offers more benefits than conventional lead-acid batteries. Convenient monitoring is achieved through its Ethernet, CAN and RS485 standard communication interface. Noise also won't be an issue when using this product because it has a low noise level of less than 65 decibels. This storage cabinet has improved space usage with a small footprint and a modular design to support on-grid and parallel connections. It can fit a wide array of application scenarios including community and commercial buildings, shopping centres, hospitals, public car parks and distribution networks, among others. Since the company's establishment, Coslink has been growing fast and gaining attention in the renewable energy industry. Devoted to new technology development, we have held dozens of energy storage and related technology patents.